And we start in three, two, one. Hello and welcome, you big bloody beautiful legends. Bro, मैं नहा रहा था and like not right now, like a while back, and there was a song playing called Community Property. Okay, and it's a very like it's supposed to be a shady song. Okay, so the lyrics go like, "My heart belongs to you, my love is pure and true, but my cock is community property." Like basically the lyrics are those. Like it's supposed to be a shady song. Like it's got the dirtiest lyrics you'll ever imagine. Like it's disgusting if you were to actually say that to a woman. It's fucking horrible. Like the guy goes like, "You're the only girl that I like to screw when I'm not on the road. When I come home, my dinner's made and my front lawn is mowed." Like the whole idea is only that it's an asshole song. So नहा रहा था तो shuffle पे बज रहा था and loud पे था because I take my speakers in like JBL Go 2. If you're watching this, sponsor this podcast. I listen to music. Your fucking speakers are waterproof. That's why sponsor this. 10 crore rupees, 50,000 US dollar, $50,000 भेज दीजिए. Whatever, bad one. But point being, yeah, I was taking a bath and I was playing, and my mom was in the room only at that time, and like she could hear the song like on loud, and it was like, "But my cock is community property." It started playing like that, and from outside she was like, "Hey!" I was like, "Fuck, now there's gonna be a conversation." She's like, "Aba tu su samde che tu." That's why your brain has become like this only. You think about all this only, women and all that porn jo hai che. I was like, what the fuck are you saying, bro? And in nate this conversation from outside while you're naked having a shower, my mom is crazy. It's disgusting, dude. क्या mood off हो गया मेरा. फिर उसके बाद next song बजा आदत. भाई कोई आतिफ असलम को बोलो वो एंड का पोर्शन लास्ट 45 seconds when he pulls those notes, bro, ऐसा sad feel होता है ना bro. Like I don't know why हिमेश, आतिफ, अरिजीत, तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो ब्रो लाइक फालतू में. इवन सोनू फॉर दैट मैटर इन सम सॉन्ग्स. विच वन वाज दैट फ्रॉम अग्निपथ. अभी मुझ में कहीं. फक. भाई ऐसा करोगे तो तुम लोग कैसा चलेगा ब्रो. दिन ऐसा आदमी बैड बॉय कैसा बने. लाइक दैट इज व्हाट स्टॉपिंग मी फ्रॉम बीइंग अ बैड बॉय. लाइक आई वांट टू बी अ बैड एस गाय, बट आतिफ असलम, अरिजीत, ऑल दीज गाइज आर स्टॉपिंग मी फ्रॉम बीइंग दैट. बस बता रहा हूँ. मतलब वरना अपन जी इजी टाइप आदमी होते हैं, ठीक है. और लाइक बादशाह बिदशाह ऐसा ऐसा बड़ा बड़ा कपड़ा पहन के. छोटा आदमी ऑलरेडी है मैं. बड़ा बड़ा कपड़ा पहन के घूमता मैं लोखंड वाला में. आई नो आई हैव टोल्ड यू ऑल ऑलरेडी दैट that's a vibe. But yeah, so all that was fucking playing, bro. Like I was thinking about this. The music that I don't know if it's still a thing amongst teenagers, but at 16, 17, 18, the music I used to hear used to make me feel very emotional, okay? And like with the boys group, you sit and you like listen to that music, and it's a fucking vibe. Like it's a beautiful vibe. Like you sit with the boys and you've just discovered drinking at 17, 18, and like you've told your parents you're going for a video game sleepover, and you fucking go to some friend's house where जिसके parents out of town गए और वहाँ मतलब मचाने का full on. And I don't know, I miss that vibe, like to a certain degree. Like I don't know, is it the age or is it the music that has changed? But that music, that there is no music that makes me feel um I don't know, for I don't want to sound like a little bitch on this podcast, but it makes me feel emotional, you know. It makes me feel like something's up, like makes me feel sad or makes me feel to a certain degree like alive, bro. Like I don't know, like it everybody keeps making fun of emo boys and all that stuff, and I get it. I make fun of it too, and it's cringy and it's stupid emo whatever, right? But that feeling, I think as we grow older we start to fucking push down. I don't know what is with that. Why am I not able to I don't know. Like now I don't do that with my friends anymore, where I can like, I mean, I have very loving friends, like all of them are fucking amazing, like I can be very open with them about whatever's going on. But I feel like to a certain degree, is it the generation, the pandemic, the fucking age in general, or what is the fucking world about? I don't know, but we all keep pushing that feeling down. I don't know, is it true? I don't know if you all feel that as well. But like the whole suppression of um you feeling stuff through music, I don't know, is it rap music has become so famous that it's just about banging bitches and not actually loving them? I'm sure I know a lot of people say, then Karan, you're listening to the wrong rap. You know, there's some phenomenal music. I know J. Cole and like quite a few other rappers, especially Cole, I would say, have some even G-Eazy for that matter. Like these are two of my favorite rappers, I'd say. I'd put them in the top two. Have some great music about loving people, about like giving love to people. I really feel like that. Like if you, I know it's from Black, but listen to Pretty Little Fears. It's by Black, but J. Cole has a verse in it. Phenomenal fucking music, bro. Like that shit makes you feel stuff. And I don't know, like I used to listen to that music and think about the people I love, and like that actually makes you feel something and feel closer towards somebody. I don't know, closer to somebody. I don't know what the fuck has gone down, but like आजकल like अपन सब चौड़ में ही घूम रहे हैं. Like why what is the vibe? Like what's with like people roaming around as if like nothing phases them? I don't want to make. I know it's been like 6 minutes since. Yeah, 6 7 minutes since I've been fucking ranting about just like emotional stuff. But I know, and that's not my intention. But like, okay, give it a thought, right? Give it a genuine thought. Why are you supposed to roam around as if you don't feel shit? Weakness, showing weakness and vulnerability and being vulnerable is not bad. Not doing anything about it is bad. If you roam around, bro, like I can guarantee you there are people who like take advantage of the whole idea. Oh, I have anxiety, oh, I have depression, and just keep crying about it. And like, I know I can't feel what they feel, whatever. Go fuck yourself, bro. There is always a fighting chance. If you're not working out right, if you're not sleeping right, eating right, if you're not like trying to make your life the best it is, you're not even giving yourself a fucking chance to fight, bro. Like, do it. Do it for 2 months straight. Like try fucking give yourself a chance, bro. And it might take a year to get out of it, but do it. I don't know. I mean, I'm going off and topic and whatever, but fuck it, man. Like it's stupid. I don't know. But yeah, on that note, how have you guys been? I want to know, bro. There has been some recent developments that I've understood कि thumbnail डालना पड़ता है. ठीक है. Okay, by the way, I know some of y'all might, if whoever's watching this, there is a कपड़े का stand है पीछे जिस पे कपड़े सूख रहे हैं. ठीक है. बारिश का मौसम है, ड्रायर नहीं है घर पे, तो तू समझ रहा है पॉइंट ना, कि ऐसा ही होता है. और मैं पहले से ही बोल रहा हूँ, पॉडकास्ट इज़ लाइक दैट ओनली. दिस पॉडकास्ट मतलब पीछे डोंट एक्सपेक्ट प्रोफेशनलिज्म इन दिस पॉडकास्ट. Like it's just me doing talking nonsense. I used to have smart people on, and I have a plan of getting smarter people on board to have good discussions with them about smart shit. But when I am sitting and talking, you're going to see this चड्डी बनियान सूख रहा है पीछे. ठीक है. और ये bro, I told you, right? Like I don't know, last podcast or the one before that my room and my brother's room, I mean, we share a room, but it's the biggest in the house, right? So इधर ही सब extra shit रहता है ना, यही room में आता है. So there's a study table which is the end of the room, like where you would ideally be watching from is the end of the room, and then that, right? So it's like there's some space. So in the middle space where I am sitting, usually उधर कपड़े का stand आ जाता है, or like whatever extra shit that people don't want in the house इधर आ जाता है. And me and my brother, like my brother and I, whatever, go fuck yourself. Ren and Martin, go fuck yourself. We keep yelling like what is all this garbage and all, and sometimes we are arguing with each other only. ये कहाँ से आया है, किसने डाला, उसने डाला, किसने डाला, और हम दोनों ही गाली गलौज चालू हो जाता है. But yeah, this is what you expect when you come for the laid back leisure experience. And I'm also like, I also figured out that thumbnails are important in YouTube videos, man. Like also tell me all this. देख bro, you're in now, ठीक है, अभी option नहीं है निकलने का. Now I think, देख, मैगी ले, चाय कॉफ़ी ले, सुट्टा पी रहा है सुट्टा पी, बियर पी रहा है बियर पी, जो करना है कर. टेक योर चॉइस ऑफ बेवरेज मील वॉट एवर यूड लाइक एंड सिट एंड वॉच दिस शिट विद पीछे बाप का पैंट सूख रहा है, भाई का बॉक्सर सूख रहा है, और मेरा एक टी शर्ट है जो 3 दिन से गांडू सूखा नहीं. 3 दिन से एक टी शर्ट सूख ही नहीं रहा है ब्रो. मेरे को आई वॉन्ट टू वेयर दैट टी शर्ट, आई टू गो आउट टुडे, आई वॉन्ट टू वेयर दैट टी शर्ट सो बैडली, but that t-shirt is not drying only, and I'm sick and tired of it. That is the like, if you ask me like 3-4 things I hate about it, साला चप्पल पहन नहीं सकता क्योंकि वो ऐसा क्या, I can't make that noise that let me try and make that. Is it sounding stupid? I don't know. But when your like slipper gets stuck and then after it flaps back up, every like shit, there's shit on your pants or your legs if you're wearing shorts. Like that is the worst thing. Getting drenched I can still deal with क्योंकि देख full दुनिया उससे deal कर रही है तो तेरे पास option नहीं है. I think as long as everybody is experiencing pain, you're fine. Like when you're the only person dealing with it, no, it feels like यार ये मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है. But वो चप्पल फ्लॉप होता है, सब पीछू पूरा आ जाता है, दैट्स बैड. देन ये कपड़ा सूख नहीं रहा है, दैट इज irritating on an other level. I guarantee you there is no, it's a horrible fucking feeling. क्योंकि एक टी शर्ट है मेरे को पहनना है बहुत दिन से, 3 दिन से सूख ही नहीं रहा है क्योंकि बाहर सनलाइट ही नहीं आया है. और ये रूम में साला मेरा टी शर्ट ऐसा इट ऑलमोस्ट बिकम्स ड्राई and it like almost like the sun starts coming out, so my maid comes and shifts the clothes from the stand to the balcony to the place where you dry clothes, the ropes and all. And वापस बारिश गिर जाता है, वो टी शर्ट वापस गीला हो जाता है. सो आई एम जस्ट yelling, why are you doing this, let it just dry inside, I need to wear this. And this process has kept repeating itself, and I'm too absent-minded in life, and I wake up too late. Apparently I wake up at 10 o'clock, which is too late, and my maid comes by 9. I know it's a fucking rant, but you get my point, right? This is what I'm here for. I know some of you might be feeling the same. मेड आके ब्रो क्या इज्जत ही नहीं है ब्रो घर में. There is no respect for my time or my space or my fucking some anything that I would like to do. There is no respect for that. I want to sleep till थोड़ा late. I'm not even saying like 1-2 बजे तक यार, 10 बजे तक summer vacation. I know I should be like active, internships, productivity, all that. नहीं हो रहा है, ठीक है. थोड़ा हम भी थक गए हैं लाइफ में भाई, थोड़ा दिल को पुसलाने दे. Sometime I know I have to get back on my feet, I get it, but yeah, till 10 o'clock, but the maid comes at 9, so go fuck yourself, Karan, because the maid has to change the sheets, so you and your sleep cycle can go fuck themselves. And I think it's fair. I think whoever makes the point that you should wake up early, I get it, I get the idea, but come on man, let a guy live. On that note, I'm gonna peace out. I have to head out, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.